Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily set up your XIAOMI Electric Scooter 6 Pro into the XIAOMI Home App. So as you guys can see, we got the scooter right here. We also got the XIAOMI Home App, but what we want to do first is we want to reset it. So let me put my phone back for a second. What we need to do here is press the power button, acceleration, and the brake button for 7 seconds. So let me quickly do that again. Now, of course, we can just simply go over and hold it right now. And we need to hold it until we hear it beeping. Now, after we hear it beeping, we can simply let go. And now what you want to do is we want to go over and scan that QR code right here. So let's open up the app. We're going to aim for it, click on open in Chrome and click on allow. Now, as you guys can see, it is bringing us into the reset device. So we have to do it again. Let me quickly go and just press the acceleration, power and brake at the same time. Now let's hold it. And now we can let go and click device to reset in our app. So let's click device reset. Now what are we going to do here is we got the Bluetooth device. We want to make sure that they're closed. And here we create a password to make sure that there are secure Bluetooth connections. I'm going to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but you make sure that you create a really strong password. Now, as you guys can see, the device is bound to the account. It's connected and verified. We're going to click on next. It doesn't matter what room we give it into. Here we can name it. We're going to click on next. And as you guys can see, it is, we need to agree here. And now we got a 1 minute and 20-second video about how to ride it. So I've already watched this, but if you really need the riding guide, then I would recommend watching it. Now, of course, you cannot go over to the next step if you don't watch this video. So this takes more than a minute now. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime is I'm gonna pause the video and I'll see you guys once the video is done. Now the video is done, and what are we gonna do now is we have a scooter QR code. So let me quickly show it to you guys. Here we have it. Now what we want to do is we want to screenshot it. So for me it's the power volume up button and power button. We're going to click on right here and save to photos. And now we can leave, and we got the firmware update, but we're not going to do that right now. Here we got our remaining mileage, we got the current battery level and the mode. We can of course change the modes, and then we will see that the mileage and the driving modes change. We can lock the motor, enable assisted riding, riding records, and etc. Even the light settings. And that's basically how you guys can set this up. So now it is in your app and you can freely use it. Now it is unlocked, and this is very good because now you can go for more than 10 kilometers per hour, because if you do not set it up just like you did right now, you would have been locked to 10 kilometers per hour. And that's basically it for a video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.